clothes on. Get ready. Got breakfast for you. Look, you get porridge. And it's happy to see you. Get out of there. You're going to make people sick.